Hello viewer, today I'm going to do the engine oil change for 2023 Toyota RAV4. The oil type is 0W16 and I have 0W16. The oil filter, I bought it from Toyota and here's the part number. The first time for the engine oil change on this car has 8,000 kilometers. And it is not due yet, but I like to get the oil change as soon as I get 8,000 kilometers. I'm gonna erase this. For the oil filter, I'm using dealer part from Toyota, and I'm using 0W16 as prescribed in the label in the engine bay, Mobile 1 synthetic. This 10mm bolt right here. I'm gonna remove this cover to gain access to the oil filter and the drain. So, let's get started. There, the cover plate's been removed. Oil drain plug right here, and oil filter right there. This is 14mm, so I have a socket here 14, and I'm gonna take this off, drain it. I have the catch tray set up already. So the oil filter, I'm using this wrench, and I was able to loosen it. So this is a wrench. It is a tight spot. So the oil filter is out, and it's in the tray right there. Very tight spot, but you can do it. But I imagine we have a socket at the end of the oil filter, that's at the end of the oil filter. It probably make a job a little bit easier. I have this oil filter cap wrench. It's a part number, the one I bought for Toyota Tacoma. The RAV4 oil filter from the dealer also fit. So this is something that you could use, and I didn't know. I could have used this instead of my other wrench. Nice to know. I noticed this oil from the dealer, it has the kind of a grease lubricant around the O-ring or the seal, so you don't need to put oil on that surface. So go ahead and install it directly onto the engine. Okay, the oil filter back on, bolt back on. I have a new gasket, but I decided to use the same one. The same one doesn't look in bad shape. It has a rubber felt like in between the aluminum washer. So I put a little bit of high temperature RTV and stick it back in there.